Good morning! Welcome to our SCC Online Devotion. Our passage this morning is in Luke chapter 8 verses 26 to 39. But let me read 27 to 29 muna. As Jesus was climbing out of the boat, a man who was possessed by demons came out to meet him. For a long time he had been homeless and naked, living in the tombs outside the town. As soon as he saw Jesus, he shrieked and fell down in front of him. Then he screamed, "Why are you interfering with me, Jesus, Son of the Most High God? Please, I beg you, don't torture me." For Jesus had already commanded the evil spirit to come out of him. The spirit had often taken control of the man. Even when he was placed under guard and put in chains and shackles, he simply broke them and rushed out into the wilderness completely under the demon's power. Isa po yun sa characteristics ng isang taong demon-possessed. Meron po siyang extraordinary strength. Let's jump to verse 35 to 39. People rushed out to see what had happened. A crowd soon gathered around Jesus, and they saw the man who had been freed from the demons. He was sitting at Jesus' feet, fully clothed and perfectly sane, and they were all afraid. Then those who had seen what happened told the others how the demon-possessed man had been healed. And all the people in the region of the Gerasenes begged Jesus to go away and leave them alone, for a great wave of fear swept over them. So Jesus returned to the boat and left, crossing back to the other side of the lake. The man who had been freed from the demons begged to go with him. But Jesus sent him home, saying, "No, go back to your family and tell them everything God has done for you." So he went all through the town, proclaiming the great things Jesus had done for him. When Jesus sets you free, when you experience the love of Jesus, the mercy and the grace of God, ano yung dapat nating gawin pagkatapos nun? I'd like to encourage you. Sabi dito, the man who had been freed, in verse 38, from the demons, begged to go with Jesus. Pero hindi siya isinama ni Jesus. Sabi niya, but Jesus sent him home, saying, "No, go back to your family and tell them everything God has done for you." Kung naranasan mo ang pag-ibig ng Panginoong Hesus, naranasan mo ang kapatawaran niya, nagbago ang buhay niya, huwag mong itong itago. Do not hide that love. Do not hide that story, that testimony na na-experience mo sa Kanya. Parang ganito po yun. Kapag ikinasal ang isang tao, itinatago ba niya yung kanyang status na siya ay single, siya ay married na? No. Sa papeles, sa trabaho, kailangan mong i-declare, ako ay kasal na. At ganun din po, may mga bagay minsan nagtataka ang pamilya natin. Bakit itinigil mo na ang isang bisyo? Bakit pinutol mo ang isang kasalanan na nagagawa mo noon? Bakit ayaw mo nang balikan yon? Tell them, kasi naranasan mo ang pag-ibig ng Panginoong Hesus. Do not hide that wonderful thing na ginawa sa iyo ni Jesus. Share it, tell it, proclaim. Sabi niya dito, no, go back to your family and tell them everything God has done for you. So he went all through the town proclaiming the great things Jesus had done for him. Huwag mong itago ang pag-ibig mo sa Panginoon. Huwag mong itago ang mabuting ginawa niya sa buhay mo. Thank you for joining me in our SCC online devotion. Stay hungry for the Word of God and see you again tomorrow.